Welcome to Easy English with Joy. Today, we join two friends, Bella and Nabil, as they are trying to plan their weekend dinner party for their friend group without spending too much money. Let's listen to their conversation.
Hey, Bella, since the weather is getting warmer, I was thinking, why don't we host a dinner for everyone this Saturday?
Oh, I love that idea, Nabil. It feels like we haven't all hung out in ages. But wait, eating out with 6 people can get so expensive.
Exactly. That's why I thought we could cook something at my apartment instead. It's much friendlier on the wallet.
Brilliant. A home-cooked meal sounds perfect. What should we make?
How about making a big batch of lasagna? Everyone likes pasta, and it's easy to make in large portions.
Oh, lasagna is delicious, but buying all that cheese and meat might cost a fortune right now. What if we do a homemade taco bar instead?
A taco bar? Oh, that's smart. We can buy tortillas, some minced beef, beans, and make fresh salsa. It's interactive, fun, and customizable.
Yes. Plus, our friend Sarah is vegetarian, so she can just skip the meat and load up on beans and guacamole.
Perfect choice. It checks all the boxes. Now, how should we handle the grocery bill?
We should just buy everything together on Friday afternoon and split the total bill right down the middle using an app.
Sounds fair to me. But since I'm hosting, I'll take care of the drinks and clean up the living room beforehand.
Great! Then I'll handle the dessert. I can bake some chocolate chip cookies. Baking from scratch is much cheaper than buying a box from a bakery.
Oh, your cookies are legendary. Everyone will love that. Should we text the group chat now?
Definitely. Let's tell them to arrive around 7 p.m. on Saturday. I'll draft the message right now.
Thanks for helping me organize this, Bella. I was worried it would be too much work to do alone.
Of course. That's what friends are for. Teamwork makes it easy. See you on Friday for grocery shopping?
See you Friday. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.
Now, let's review a few useful phrases from today's dialogue to boost your real-life English skills. First, friendlier on the wallet. This is an informal, natural way to say something is cheap or affordable. Second, cost a fortune. We use this expression when an item or service is very expensive. Third, split the bill right down the middle. This means to divide the total cost exactly equally, or 50-50, between people. And finally, baking from scratch. This means making food using basic raw ingredients instead of using a pre-made box mix. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and join Easy English with Joy today.